400 grams of brown sugar, 280 milliliters of golden syrup, 400 grams of butter, the juice of a whole lemon, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of mixed spice, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of ginger, and of course a pinch of nutmeg. So all these ingredients shoved in a pan, and you let them boil. They will thicken up, and then we're going to add the bicarbonate of soda. So it all boiled now. It's time to add the bicarbonate of soda. It will froth up. Don't worry. We're going to let it cool down for about 15-20 minutes. And we're going to need 1 kilogram of plain flour, sifted, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 lightly beaten eggs. To put it in the fridge for about an hour and a half. Don't add any more flour at this stage. I'll see you in a bit. Pretty. She does. So very pretty. Gingerbread cookies wreath.